When you want a better Honda, you buy an Acura. When you want a better Toyota, you buy a Lexus. So when you want a better Nissan, you know the answer to that. You buy an Infiniti. Ladies and gentlemen, this is before you buy a 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35. And now let's do a quick checklist, shall we? Okay, here we go. Let me get ready. All right. VQ powered. Check. Rear wheel drive. Check. Literally sits on the same platform as the 350Z. Check. Luxurious interior. Check. Rear seats. Check. Cheaper than a 350Z. Check. Starred in Fast and Furious movies or owned by famous YouTubers. Nope. The 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 was, is the better car. Boom. Instantly, like 100 thumbs down. The G35's only fault was not being featured in any mainstream media. It never got the attention, respect, and recognition it deserved until today. Riding on the Nissan FM platform, yeah, I know, right? The same platform as the 350Z. Stay with me here, because by the time I'm finished, you'll see why the G comes before the Z. The G35 came either as a coupe or sedan, although the coupe version also came with usable, functional rear seats, unlike the Z. Both the coupe and sedans came not Saddam. I did not say Saddam, I said sedan. Came optioned with automatics or manual transmissions. You guys remember everyone in school when they used to tell you that manuals are faster than automatics without actually knowing what the hell they were talking about? Well, that's kind of like the case with the G35 auto and manual trannies. But it actually goes further than computer timing, etc. That's because the automatic cars received variable valve timing on only the intake side. The manual cars received VVT on both the intake and exhaust side. Yes, they're not just in theory faster, the manuals are actually faster. The G35 was an instant success, which made Nissan extremely nervous. So horsepower ratings for this car are all over the freaking place. As a result, the automatic Gs are rated at an average of 260 horsepower, with the manuals hovering around 287 horsepower. However, as of 2005, numbers were bumped to 280 for the automatics and 300-ish for the manuals. Although later models are slightly more powerful, the sweet spot, or dare I say the G-spot. Oh, God, that was horrible. I'm not going to remove that, though. Price-wise, the best ones to go for would be the 2003 to 2004 manual Gs. 0 to 60, 5.4 seconds, quarter mile, 13.9 stock, S-T-O-C-K, stock. These numbers come from a bone stock G35 coupe. The G35 was such a damn good car. It won the North American Car of the Year award the year it came out and was on the Car and Driver's top 10 best cars list for 2 years straight on those sweet spot years of 03 and 04. And since it was powered by the same VQ35DE as the 350Z, that means parts are cheap AF and plentiful AF to get a hold of. That being said, It's not a perfect car, okay? So you can expect issues with a crankshaft position sensors, some timing chain rattle on cold starts, and yada, yada, yada. Automatic versions are some of the worst ever built, but who cares? And last but not least, it being a VQ engine, it means it likes to suck more oil than a Vietnamese hooker on a Monday afternoon senior citizen matinee special at the local massage parlor. Just look at these prices. You get a true no traction control, no driver assist, rear wheel drive, 300 horsepower luxury missile for literally half the price of a 350Z. It's no wonder why the G35 was called the Skyline in Europe. Now, excuse me, I have some Craigslist shopping to do. Babe, shut up. Hey, no. Babe.